Hey guys, Dr. Brown here, and tonight we're working the integral of e to the 2x minus e to the minus 2x over e to the 2x plus e to the minus 2x dx. Okay, so let's get after it. You know the tools. We have u sub, trig sub, integration by parts, partial fractions, power reduction, long division, completing a square, method of quadratics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the basic 8 tools that we use to try to solve some of these problems. When you use a u sub, which is what I'm going to try on this one, really, if you can take the derivative of something, you may get some insight into how to solve this thing. For example, I'm going to let u equal everything in the denominator. So we're going to use u sub. We're going to try that. All right, so let's say u equals this denominator, e to the 2x plus e to the minus 2x. Now let's take the derivative of that. You know the derivative of e to the u is e to the u du. So in this case, our u is 2x, and this one is minus 2x. So derivative of e to the 2x is e to the 2x times the derivative of 2x, which is 2 dx. I'll put the dx out here, okay, plus e to the minus 2x times the derivative of minus 2x, which is minus 2. We're going to factor a 2 out. So I have 2 times e to the 2x minus e to the minus 2x dx. Now that's du. Okay, so du over 2 e to the 2x minus e to the minus 2x equals dx. Now you'll notice e to the 2x minus e to the minus 2x. Wow, that's my numerator. How easy is this going to be? Now, when you first look at the problem, your hair may catch on fire because you may think, how am I going to do that? Which really is what I thought. I looked at it and I thought, what to do here? But how do I solve them? I have 8 tools in my mind which fits this. And sometimes, as we've seen on other videos, we may have to do a u sub, a trig sub, then partial fractions. We may use 3 or 4 tools sometimes. All right, so now let's fill in the blanks. We have that numerator still, e to the 2x minus e to the minus 2x over 2. I won't put the 2 out here. That'll be a 1/2. E to the 2x minus e to the minus 2x du over what? This was u. So this cancels. So I'm left with 1/2 the integral of du over u. U sub greatly simplified this and made it something we can work with, which is what? 1/2 natural log of u, which is 1/2 natural log of u was e to the 2x plus e to the minus 2x plus c. And that, my friend, would be the integral of e to the 2x minus e to the minus 2x over e to the 2x plus e to the minus 2x. U sub, it's a very useful tool. Get familiar with it, work as many problems as you can. Why? Because together we're trying to build a better tomorrow and do that through math. Keep studying. We'll talk to you next time. Thanks.